What you doing, girl? What you doing, mama? You done with the camera? You ready, girl? Hey, what's up, guys? It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. It just got done raining. Well, it sprinkled here. It rained just north of us. So it feels real good out here. So we decided to wake up and go to the park. Take her to the park. Look, her's happy. She's back there smiling already. Here's the Gatorade, too.
Hey, cuteness.
What's up, girl? You ready to play? You ready to get on the swing and go down the slide? Alright.
Does it fall off over there?
I think it's in my floorboard, I think.
Ready? Go. You gonna hop out, huh?
She's ready. So we're at this park today. Gonna have some fun. Is it sprinkling right now? Dang, it is.
It is,
Yep. Well, that rain better go away because I got my drone out. Let me protect it real quick. What you doing, girl? What you doing?
Is Mama gonna make the ultimate sacrifice and go on this wet side? Yeah.
You didn't bring a
Towel.
receiving blanket or nothing? Dude, it's gonna get you all wet, dude. Go ahead. Do it for the YouTube.
You ready? You ready?
Do it for the YouTube.
Whoa! What was that about, huh?
She had a scared look.
Were you scared? I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Are you ready? You see her?
Let her go by herself, Mom. I'm gonna catch her. Let her go by herself.
I'm gonna go by her.
No, she might fall backwards and hit her head. Make her lay down. Make her lay down. I'll catch her.
No, I'm gonna go behind her.
Make her lay down, Mama, and make her lay down and let her slide, and I'll catch her.
She's holding on.
She's holding on for dear life. You wasn't ready for that, was you, girl?
Here, let's do like this. You ready? I don't want you to get wet though. You're gonna get wet if we do that. You're gonna swim off. You ready? Woo!
Whoa, girl.
You wanna go on the swings real quick? Look, that's where she's headed. You wanna go to the swings? Do this. You're getting dirty.
It better stop raining. It teased me like the storm was gone.
What's Daddy doing?
Whoosh. Whoosh.
What's going on?
Oh, she looks like she's getting busy, Mama. Slow her down.
Let's take a break. Her neck might be hurting too, you know.
Yep. Whoosh.
Funner, but it looks too fast. Mama.
Is it done raining
You ready?
for the moment?
You're not gonna do it? Why are you spitting everywhere? You're spitting everywhere. What? Why are you on your head back like that? Huh? You trying to go to the sky? Look at those eyes right now. They're so pretty. Ball. 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 You're really talking, huh?
Running up.
Listen, there was no water running down the slide. And then all of a sudden there was water running down. I'm like, was it pee or something?
That's.
No, this stuff wasn't here. That stuff was.
Did you pee?
I don't feel nothing, do you? Think it's pee-pee? There.
That's not pee. Hold the camera then.
I just don't know.